What's going on, everyone? Corey Fulham, your car guy here. Welcome again to my shop. In today's video, I'm going to be continuing another project series video on my 93 Fleetwood. I think you guys might have remembered on my previous video that I did on my, was my halogen headlamp bulb replacement video. My side marker lights in the rear were not working, but today I actually ended up getting some new bulbs at my local Napa Auto Parts store. And today I'm going to be replacing the bulbs, which is the side marker lights. So let's go check it out. They're right over here. Same on that side there too. In order to get to the bulbs, we have to open the trunk there. And there might be 4 fasteners. Yeah, there's 4 fasteners we have to take off. And then we have to take off the weather stripping first. Oh no, not that. And then we have to take off the weather stripping second. We have to take this thing off first. Set them over here. And there's 3 right there. Yeah, it's coming. And then there's 4 right there. And now we can just go ahead and take off the weather stripping. Set that over here. Set that over here. Same with this one. Right over here. And I think after that, this whole thing here should come right out of there. There. Actually, we're going to do that side over here. If I can pull this out straight like that. There's where the bulb's located, right in there. We just turn that counterclockwise over here, and the bulb just comes right out. See if I can just pull it out. Look how easy that was. We're just going to put in a new one anyway. So now I got the new bulbs. We're just going to put that over here, so that way I don't want to mix them up. And now we can just go ahead and install our brand new bulb right in here. Doesn't matter which way. See if I can try to do this with one hand. Okay, I finally got the bulb in. And all we got to do is, got to see if I can get on that side and try to lock it in. Okay, it's in, and now we can just turn that counterclockwise. And I think that side's done over here. And then we'll just do the other side over here. Same as usual. And then we just turn that counterclockwise. And then we'll just pull this bulb out. Trying to wiggle it out. Okay, so I think I finally got the new bulb in. And then we'll just put that in there and we'll turn that counterclockwise. And that locks it into place. And I think the last thing I need to do is go ahead and test it and make sure it works before I go to put everything back together. And now I think we're ready for the big test. Let's see if it works. Oh boy, look at that. It's working. There we go, we fixed it, guys. There, she's working now. And I think it definitely turns out that I think the bulbs were probably burnt out. That's why I had to put new ones in. Anyways, she's working. Lights are working pretty good now, like brand new. And I think the last thing I'm going to do is go ahead and put everything back together and we will be done. Put the weather stripping back on. Just going to go ahead and line it up there. And then we'll just go ahead and put those 4 fasteners back on. We'll just go ahead and line them up. So that was actually a quick job. It didn't take that long. nice and secure. Make sure that part's lined up there. Make sure that one's there. And then we'll just line up the other thing here. And now for one more fastener, goes right in there. And I think that's it. We'll just go ahead and close the trunk. Okay, so I think it's currently 9:32 p.m. at night, and I've been dying to try this thing out. And now for our final test, I'll just put the parking lights on. Fantastic. I mean, it looks just awesome. I mean, check this out, guys. What a difference. Works a lot better now. Guess I'm gonna go and turn the lights off. There we go. So anyway, I thought there was a problem with the wiring harness itself, or an electrical problem with my side marker lights. It just turns out that the bulbs were actually burnt out. So that's all fixed now and ready to go. So awesome. Well, I think that's gonna pretty much wrap it up for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm feeling so happy right now that I finally got my side marker lights in the back working again, which is awesome. And that is exactly what I want to see. Anyway, go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Definitely consider clicking on the subscribe button, because I've got lots more content coming up. Car reviews, plus more project series of fixing that car up and putting new parts in. And also, don't forget to turn on these notifications by clicking on the bell so you can get notified of new uploads. And one more thing, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, because it really helps the video a lot. With that being said, be sure to stay tuned next time, guys. There is a lot more where it came from, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care, everyone.